Kia ora and welcome, friends. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all: how to naturally support our bodies to burn fat, fight inflammation, and stay resilient through the power of food. In this presentation, we're exploring 6 powerhouse foods that not only boost your metabolic health but also help your body heal and repair on a cellular level. Let's begin by understanding a key process called autophagy. This is your body's built-in self-cleaning system. When you're not eating, especially during fasting, your body starts to clear out damaged cells and makes way for healthier, stronger ones. Think of it as a deep spring clean for your cells. For autophagy to kick in, your body needs time away from food. After about 12 hours of fasting, ketones start to rise, giving your brain clarity and reducing hunger. By 13 hours, growth hormone increases, which helps you stay young and lean. And if you fast a bit longer, up to 17, 24, or even 36 hours, your body repairs gut lining, burns stubborn belly fat, and even regenerates dopamine receptors, supporting mental well-being. But fasting alone isn't enough. What you eat matters deeply. So let's look at 6 healing foods that pair beautifully with fasting and promote natural fat burning and regeneration. 1. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and a fantastic way to break your fast. Healthy fat helps turn off the hunger hormone, so you're less likely to overeat afterwards. In New Zealand, we're lucky to have access to beautiful avocados almost year-round. Try having half an avocado with your breakfast meal. For an extra gut healing boost, top it with probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut or kimchi. This combination feeds your good gut bacteria and supports digestion. 2. Cacao. Not to be confused with your average chocolate bar, raw cacao is a powerful superfood. It's full of antioxidants and has been shown to support liver cell autophagy. Look for dark chocolate with cacao listed as the main ingredient, ideally above 85% cacao content. Keep it natural and avoid added sugars and fillers. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate after a meal or add raw cacao powder to your smoothies. 3. Coffee. Good news for coffee lovers: black coffee can actually stimulate autophagy in the liver, muscles, and heart. The key here is to choose organic, mold-free beans and drink it black. Avoid adding sugary syrups or processed creamers, as they interfere with fasting benefits. Some people find adding a bit of MCT oil can help with fat burning and mental clarity. Remember, always listen to your body and check how your blood sugar responds if you're unsure. 4. Green tea and bergamot tea. Green tea is widely known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It also promotes autophagy across various cell types. If you're sensitive to caffeine, green tea is a gentler option compared to coffee. Bergamot tea, made from a citrus fruit, has also shown benefits in cellular repair and fat metabolism. Enjoy these teas during your fasting window or in the afternoon to support focus and healing. 5. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple in heart-healthy diets and is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Research suggests it may protect the brain from degenerative diseases and slow cancer cell growth, but it's crucial to use it correctly. Avoid cooking with it at high heat. Instead, use it raw as a dressing or drizzle it over cooked veggies. Always choose cold-pressed, organic varieties and store it away from heat and light to keep it fresh. 6. Curcumin from turmeric. Curcumin is the active healing compound in turmeric, a root with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been shown to support autophagy in pancreatic cells and fight certain infections. Use organic turmeric powder in soups, stir-fries, or teas. To enhance absorption, combine it with black pepper. You can also juice fresh turmeric root for a stronger anti-inflammatory effect. Final thoughts: to truly support fat loss, mental clarity, and long-term health, it's not just about cutting calories or hitting the gym harder. It's about working with your body's natural rhythms. When you give your body space to fast and fuel it with healing foods, you unlock its deepest power, the ability to repair, regenerate, and thrive. Remember, consistency matters. Even a simple 13-hour fast paired with whole, nutrient-dense foods can make a remarkable difference. Small changes, made with intention, can lead to lifelong transformation. Ngien Mihi for listening, and here's to your health, energy, and natural vitality.